Hello, hello. How's everyone? This is Satnam, the name behind this page. And as you all know, that I try to bring new faces into my page, and then introduce them with our viewers and our followers who's watching us every week. And I am very excited because this my new business owner is a new team member. She just recently joined, and she is doing our business very successfully, and it is amazing to see how our team is building every day. And I'm very excited to have her on my page, and we'll talk to her about this business, how she joined, and what is her why to join the business. So जो आज हमारे पेज पे आए हैं उनका नाम है निधि. She is all the way from China. Let's talk to her and discuss about this business. But I am very excited because this business is amazing, and as we all say, this business is global. You can work from anywhere, anytime, and like I never expected to have a business like partner from all the way from China, and I will be speaking to her on my page. But that is really great opportunity that you do connect with all those people all over the world, and you learn about their why they joined the business and how successfully they're doing this business. So let's not waste any more time, and let's talk to Nidhi. Nidhi, thank you very much for accepting my invite and coming on my page. And let's introduce yourself with our viewers and followers. Who's Nidhi and why she joined the business?
Hi, Satnam. Thank you so much for inviting me and giving me this opportunity as well. And yes, I'm also excited to talk to you because I never imagined that I'm going to talk someone, from US. I mean, it's digital life has become normal, but still it's very exciting and very interesting.
Exactly.
So, yes, I'm Nidhi and I'm staying in Shanghai. Like from last 12 years, my husband's job is here. I have two boys. One is in college, one is still in school. So China is a very different place. By profession, I'm an educator, but the job opportunities for educators is limited. You have to be a native speaker, and then I chose to do part time, but I was not enjoying. I mean, that was not giving me that satisfaction which I should have.
जी.
So I kept doing it for 3-4 years. मैंने थोड़ा सा कोशिश किया, but every day was a struggle for me. I mean, I had to push myself. And then side by side, मैं बहुत कुछ अपना entrepreneurial, events. Like I opened a non-profit parenting जिसमें मैं बहुत सारे बच्चों के लिए free events करती थी. I had to channelize my energy. Then with women कुछ किया. So I was like थोड़ा थोड़ा मुझे डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में इंक्लिनेशन था, बट देन आफ्टर कोविड आई थॉट कि वर्ल्ड इज चेंजिंग. क्योंकि मैंने जब 7 या 8 मंथ्स पहले जॉब छोड़ा तो मैंने बहुत एक्सटेंसिवली रिसर्च किया. मैंने क्या चल रहा है वर्ल्ड में. मैंने अभी तक वो कुछ किया ही नहीं जो मुझे करना है. देखा कि वर्ल्ड चेंज हो चुका है फ्रॉम द यंग जनरेशन टिल ओल्ड जनरेशन. So I was surprised and I was like, I have to, I have to choose this new. We have to accept the change. तो मैं तो already कुछ digital में कोशिश कर रही थी. तो ये opportunity दिखी तो ऐसा इसमें बहुत कुछ already आपको मिल जाता है ready-made. Ready to eat की तरह. So I said rather than starting everything on my own कि vlogs करूं कि कुछ channel start करूं बहुत कुछ खुद करना पड़ेगा. I said, let me take this opportunity. And there were so many testimonials, people like you. So I grabbed this opportunity.
जी बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
So अभी आप जैसे आपने बोला ऑलरेडी आपको डिजिटल के बारे में काफी इंफॉर्मेशन थी पहले, पर people like me, I was a busy mom, so I always been doing like 2 jobs. So मुझे डिजिटल के बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं थी. I was not a social media person. और मुझे इवन जब मैंने स्टार्ट भी कर लिया था तो किसी को हो ना हो, मुझे खुद को डाउट था कि क्या मैं इसको कर पाऊंगी. And I am here. It's been 2 years and my journey has been very beautiful. I'm very, very, very happy with my journey. आपको कुछ ऐसा था would you be able to do this? आप all the way on the other corner of the world है, from all the way from California to China. आपको कितना डिफरेंस लगा या कितना हार्ड लगा आपको कि भाई आप इसको कर सकते हैं या आपके लिए कुछ हार्ड होगा? कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था आपका?
I mean, you want to know कि मेरे को self doubt था कि नहीं
जी
in this?
जी
So क्योंकि मैंने बोला कि मैं already luckily I was already made my mind कि मुझे कुछ digital में करना है. So
जी
I was sure कि करना है. But this opportunity then I had to make decision. तो धीरे धीरे जो आपको डाउट होता है, मुझे डाउट जो एक नॉर्मल स्टार्ट होता है, स्कैम तो नहीं है ये, हाउ द बिजनेस विल गो. पहले मैंने वो केटर किया, देन आई फाउंड आउट कि पीपल आर गेटिंग सक्सेसफुल. लाइक एनी बिजनेस, यू नो, 60% will get successful, 40% may not be. So it's individual's journey, इंडिविजुअल पर्सन जर्नी. फिर मुझे सेल्फ डाउट अपने ऊपर ये था कि सी आपको कुछ भी लॉन्ग टर्म करने के लिए ना आपके पास पैशन होना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
मतलब ऐसा नहीं फील होना चाहिए कि ओ माय गॉड आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ्स मैंने ये क्या किया.
जी
I should not have made that decision. And now I'm not that young that I just take decision in a haste. So I made sure कि मुझे वो फीलिंग ना आए,
जी
you know. तो उसके लिए जितना रिसर्च करना है किया. एंड सेल्फ डाउट इतना तो नहीं था, बट बीच बीच में आता है. दैट्स अ वेरी नॉर्मल ह्यूमन इमोशन. So,
जी
and it goes with time. We have webinars, we have people, mentor, coaches. तो थोड़ा बहुत आता है, but you know, it's handled. हो जाता है, वो cover up हो जाता है.
जी, बिल्कुल, क्योंकि जैसे हम बोलते भी आपको मेंटरशिप मिलती है, कोचिंग मिलती है, सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द कम्युनिटी इज ऑलवेज देयर. सो यू लर्न लाइक यू नो फ्रॉम ऑल दोज एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड देन यू ऑलवेज बी मोटिवेटेड, which is I
Yeah,
think I like. Or there is so many people who think about it joining this business and then but like
hmm,
you know यही कहीं ना कहीं पे जो मोटिवेशन है they lack. क्योंकि
yes,
एज एन वुमेन हम अपने आप को इतना लाइक यू नो ऑक्यूपाइड कर लेते हैं टेकिंग केयर ऑफ अदर पीपल्स, अदर फैमिली मेंबर्स लाइक एल्डरली और किड्स हो जाते हैं, हस्बैंड का लाइक यू नो सब कुछ इतना बिजी हो जाते हैं दैट वी डोंट कंसीडर आवर सेल्फ लाइक यू नो वी नीड टू डू समथिंग टू. सो वेयर दिस बिजनेस कम लाइक यू नो, क्योंकि चाहे हम कितना भी लाइक यू नो कर लें पर एक जो सेल्फ डिपेंडेंस होती है वो अपना काम करने के बाद ही मिलती है, विच लाइक यू नो यही सोचते हैं भी हम बाहर जाके कहाँ काम करें, व्हाई नॉट डू समथिंग फ्रॉम होम. सो
yeah.
आप भी अपना एक्सपीरियंस, जैसे आप अभी अपने फैमिली के साथ रहते हैं, हाउ हार्ड इज इट फॉर यू टू मैनेज ऑल दैट?
Manage my family and professional life.
Yes, with this business, how do you manage with your like family? How do you manage your time for the business and like the regular stuff?
Yeah, so for me, I'm very fortunate because I'm staying in a city where, in a country where we get house helps. We
Oh,
have, you know, we have drivers. So आप जैसे US में, UK, Australia, you have to manage everything on your own. तो वो बहुत difficult है. So मेरे लिए वो तो problem नहीं है. And then I left my job because I was not enjoying. So मेरे लिए it's not hard. Now I have to see that how consistent I am, how passionate I am, how I keep myself motivated. You know, that's my challenge. That would be my challenge. Maintaining personal, my son has gone to university, so I have a lot of time. My husband, you know, he goes. So I think that way it's not challenging for me at all. The challenge for me is to wait, to keep patience, to be consistent,
जी
and to keep myself motivated.
जी, बिल्कुल,
Yeah.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि एफर्ट्स तो एट द एंड हमारे ही होते हैं, क्योंकि
Yes,
हमें
correct.
ही अपने बिज़नेस को लाइक ग्रो करना है, सो वी नीड टू पुट आवर 100% एफर्ट. सो इस टाइम हमें मनप्रीत जी एंड उरूज जी देख रहे हैं, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस फॉर दिस लाइव. दिस इज अमेजिंग दैट दिस इज द सपोर्ट you get from your community. So I am
Yes,
very grateful
exactly.
being a part of this community. So निधि, आप जैसे कई लोग होते हैं जिनको लाइक यू नो कुछ गाइडेंस की जरूरत होती है कि हम इस बिजनेस को शुरू कैसे करें, कहाँ से शुरू करें, इसमें क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं. सो वुड यू एक्सप्लेन दैट लाइक यू नो वेयर टू स्टार्ट एंड हाउ यू गेट द रिजल्ट्स इन द बिजनेस?
So I will explain what did I do. So when I saw the ad on YouTube,
जी
so I immediately, because मुझे लगा if today I'll not do it, then this opportunity will be gone, and then I'll be again for 2-3 months searching. So I
जी
immediately messaged the person whose ad and then she messaged me back. So I kept, you know, my conversation going. And then when she shared with me the webinar link and all, so I keep watching, and I watched it seriously. You know, I
जी
was not just, and then I watched it twice. So if you really have made sure that आपको कुछ करना है, then you have to do your work properly. I mean, you cannot rely on your mentor because वो इतने अच्छे webinars हैं that all the information is given in such a nice way. So rather than watching once, watch twice. Sit back, एक दो दिन आप लो, decide करो कि क्या था ये. I mean, do you want to go into this? If you want to go into this, फिर आप further अपने mentor जिनसे को आप उनसे बात करो. And if you have doubt, आप
सॉरी निधि, आपकी वॉइस डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई है. No, I can hear you. No. So yeah, I don't know, there is some technical issues.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now it's better.
Oh, I don't know how all of a sudden itself ही अपने आप ही mute हो गया. I'm so sorry. So I was saying that आपके, I don't know where did you stop
like about the webinars. The webinars.
So husband का भी I'll repeat कि एक skeptical attitude होता है. So आप, if you are determined that you have to do, so you have to handle that also.
जी.
So मेरा experience यही है कि आप अपनी research करो. You first make sure yourself what you want in life.
जी.
ठीक है? First you should be answerable to yourself.
जी.
And then further, then you don't have to be answerable to anyone else.
Exactly.
You have to just convince few people in your family, and they'll get convinced because it's a mutual support in life.
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. सो यही सपोर्ट हमें अगर घर से फैमिली से सपोर्ट मिलता है देन वी इवन डू बेटर, यू नो. सो यही है कि अगर आपकी फैमिली का सपोर्ट मिलता है देन you just grow in the business, and the training is there and the help is there. You just learn new things every single day.
Yes.
So how did you find training, our training, like how easy or how exciting is it?
The training in terms of mentor, or you say the overall training?
Overall training.
Oh, I found it amazing actually. I'm still feel it. It's like that's the only thing that impressed me. I mean, that's the main thing that impressed me. You know, because I'm an educator and I want to do something where I feel that either I'm learning or I'm making influence in whatever way.
Exactly.
तो वो जरूरी है. So I think the trainings are amazing. The amount of hard work and the consistently the team. I'm every time I'm bewildered. मुझे लगता है wow, it's a great community, you know. So I'm at the right place. That's what I feel.
जी बिल्कुल, क्योंकि ये ट्रेनिंग भी जो हम कहते हैं वो बहुत सिंपल वर्डिंग में है और लाइक वीडियो बेस्ड ट्रेनिंग है. एनीबडी कैन फॉलो थ्रू, सो इट्स वेरी वेरी इजी टू फॉलो एंड you just learn new things. So all I wanted to say at the end, all the people जो भी इस बिजनेस को ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, बहुत इजी है. लोगों ने ऑनलाइन को काफी स्केरी पार्ट बना दिया, पर ऑनलाइन इज द प्लेस दैट पीपल डू ग्रो. People like me who didn't have any education or any diploma, to become a business owner, मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं अपना कोई बिजनेस खोलूंगी और उसको इतनी इजीली रन कर पाऊंगी, but it's all possible because of this online business. So Nidhi, at the end, what is it would you like to give a message to all those people who still struggling and they're doing part-time jobs, with their full-time job, and still not be able to live the life that they always dreamed of? So what is it that they can do to be that get their financial stability and their time management? They just want to live the life, but they're too busy in their extra jobs or 9 to 5 schedules. So what is it that they can do?
So it's like, Satnam, it depends. Like, what is your position in the family? Suppose for me, I can take that risk because sometimes you are a single mom and then you can't take a risk. You can't leave your full-time job. So, but you desperately want to change and you are tired of that. So why not take a parallel this journey, start this journey slowly. And then I have seen so many business owners doing that. I have seen great professionals. First, they started parallelly, and then they left their main job and they are into this job because they are earning so well. So this business, when they enter into this business, so there is full 100% guarantee if you put an effort in the business, and if you have to give time to anything. It's not like one night this thing that you are going to start getting money. So people ask, how much am I going to earn? So we don't have answer to this. You can earn in 5 digits, 6 digits, and the factors are many. So yeah, definitely it depends. आपकी position घर में, family में क्या है, उस हिसाब से decision लेना चाहिए. And yes, I mean, there is no harm trying this. There is no harm trying this because आपको it's a win-win situation. There is आपको कुछ भी आप lose नहीं करने वाले उस business में.
जी एग्जैक्टली. क्योंकि अगर आप इस बिजनेस को ज्वाइन भी करते हैं, लाइक आप अपने नाम और ईमेल के साथ whoever जिसको भी आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं उनकी वेबसाइट पे अगर रजिस्टर करते हैं, जैसे आपने मेंशन किया that you get a webinar which is amazingly explained and you always get new faces, new successful owners. Like उन्होंने कहा से zero से start करके now they're living their dream life and they are boss free now. I think that's what excites me more. क्योंकि जब मैं नोट्स लोगों की सक्सेस स्टोरी सुनती हूँ, देखती हूँ, and they say, well, I'm boss free in 34. I'm like, I wanna be one of that person. Like, I don't want to be work for someone else till I'm not able to handle my life, or I have to depend on somebody. I don't want to work like that. I want to enjoy my life when I can. So that really excites me, and I'm working hard towards that, my dream. So all those people who are there, who don't want to be a 9 to 5 schedule for their life, try this business. Ask questions, क्योंकि जब तक आप पूछेंगे नहीं, आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं मिलेगी. तो आपको जैसे इन्होंने बोला भी win-win situation है. The more you ask, the more you get information, and maybe some information what we provide you, that's something that you're looking for. So do take action, contact whoever you're following and get the information about this digital business, because I can see everything is getting so digitally, everything is so on phones, on laptops, that you can do it very easily. Why not running your business wherever you go, whenever you want to run this business? So it's very, very easy to do. So thank you very much, Nidhi, आपका मेरे पेज पे आने के लिए और इतनी information share करने के लिए. Again, हर किसी की journey different होती है. जहाँ से वो कुछ सोचते हैं पर वो कहाँ से शुरू करें, कहाँ से नहीं करें. So you have given that information, and that's amazing. Thank you very much for coming on my page.
No, thank you so much. I had lots to share, but I kept it very brief. And so next time we'll share more. Thank you so much for inviting me. I love talking and I love sharing, and getting and listening what you have to say. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, everyone. And thank you for joining, ladies.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.